In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly export your composition from Adobe After Effects. Let's dive right in and get started on making sure your work can be shared or utilized exactly as you need it to be. To begin with, you'll need to have your composition ready to be exported. Make sure it's either selected in your project panel or already open, as this sets the stage for the entire exporting process. Now let's move on to adding your composition to the render queue. You have a couple of options for this. The first path is through the Composition menu. Simply navigate to Composition, and from the drop-down menu, select Add to Render Queue. Alternatively, if you find yourself more often in the File menu, you can achieve the same result by going to File, then Export, and finally clicking on Add to Render Queue. For those who love keyboard shortcuts, Adobe provides a handy command. On Windows, you can use Ctrl+M, while on a Mac, it's CMD+M. It's a real time saver once you get the hang of it. As soon as you perform any of these actions, the Render Queue panel will spring into action. Here, you'll find your composition neatly listed along with 3 pivotal settings links: Render Settings, Output Module, and Output To. Let's unpack each of these to ensure your export is exactly what you envision. First, let's tackle Render Settings. Click on the blue Render Settings link, which will open up options where you can fine-tune various parameters. This stage allows you to adjust the quality and resolution of your export, whether or not effects are applied, and even the time span. This refers to the in and out points of your composition, so you're in control of exactly what gets exported. Next, we have the Output module. Clicking its link will open another set of choices, this time focusing on formats and codecs. Here, you select how your composition will be encoded. Decide if you need just the RGB channels or if you'll include an alpha channel for transparency. Don't forget to configure your audio settings if your project includes sound. With those set, it's time to decide where your final file will go. Click on the Output to link, which will let you choose the destination folder and give your exported file a memorable name. This ensures you can effortlessly locate it afterward on your computer. When all these configurations are complete, you're ready to click the Render button located at the top right of the Render Queue panel. Adobe After Effects will then process your composition and export the file to your designated location. Lastly, a little pro tip. If you prefer, you can skip rendering inside After Effects altogether. By using Composition and selecting Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue, you can send your composition to Adobe Media Encoder. This option is great for those who want to continue working while rendering happens in the background or make use of Media Encoder's robust presets. And there you have it. Your composition is exported and ready to go. Whether you chose to render directly in After Effects or leveraged Adobe Media Encoder, your work is now transformed into a shareable masterpiece. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.